What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Prius Smart Key Remote Fob. This Toyota Prius key fob is going to be for the Toyota Priuses that have a push button start ignition. It will be one of the key fob options. And it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the bottom that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, right here we see there's this slot, a little bit of a slot right there, and if you notice the end of this key has a little bit of a lip on it, what I'm going to do is push the key in that slot like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm going to twist the key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the shell apart. And go ahead and pull the back half off. And then in our circuit board, we see our battery right here. For this part, you'll want to grab a small flathead screwdriver, or even something with a point on it, and we're going to get in this little notch right here and get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And I'll kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves of the shell back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.